gonna pull off a show without Yumi sneezing and blowing the audience out into the street.